watching him. That looks good, Kate.
This is
Hey,
how
Karma.
Karma you play. Go play.
Go on, baby.
Now, what'd you say about Lucy and Mackie not getting along? Eh?
Who?
It's more Karma and Lucy not getting along. But even them, they're doing pretty good. Hey, you Karma. Hey, Karma. Yes. Why you puttering? Why you puttering? Go play. Get in there and play.
You're up. Whoever's
I
up.
Auntie.
defeated Ken. I defeated the whole game.
Me, okay, enough of this. Let's shake this off.
Another card.
No.
There we go. That's better.
You don't know when to quit though, Matt.
No.
I wouldn't want to touch Lucy.
I'm trying to
She's
see
probably
who's the
soaked.
best
She's probably out of bath.
of
Hey, Lucy.
Max's training. Not the only one that can do that.
Lucy's doing it too, Mom.
I know.
She didn't leave yet.
Oh.
And I was filming when I did that.
That was not.
Nothing out there, Lucy, really.